In this video, we will review the polyphyletic genus Volvox. Volvox species are freshwater green algae belonging to the chlorophyte clade within green plants. Volvox cells were first recorded by the scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek in 1700, and they are widely used in studies as a model for how organisms develop specialized cells and tissues. Species of Volvox make up large spherical colonies with up to 50,000 cells. Each algal cell has two whip-like flagella that contributes to its locomotion. The cells connect to each other with thin strands of cytoplasm, which allows the colony to move in a coordinated manner. Additionally, each algal cell has a small eye spot for light reception. Interestingly, as Volvox has developed cell differentiation, you find that colonies of cells have designated front and rear ends. One side of the colony has cells where the eye spots are more developed, and this region is therefore responsible for assisting the colony in swimming towards light. In this microscope image of Volvox colonies, the eye spots are particularly prominent and visible on the top right. This type of cell differentiation distinguishes Volvox as its level of organization imitates a multicellular organism. Moreover, a single Volvox cell cannot live alone without being part of a colony. Studying different species of chlorophytes is important when considering the evolution of land plants, particularly genera like Volvox, because it is believed that land plants evolved from green algae around 410 million years ago. The Volvocene line of evolution describes the evolution of green algae from single-celled to multi-celled organisms by outlining genera, also called Volvocene genera, that are in order of increased complexity. In this theory, Volvox are the most complex organisms with thousands of motile-type biflagellate cells with cell differentiation and oogamous reproduction. Specifically, we can look at the four genera of Chlamydomonas, Gonium, Pandorina, and Volvox. In this line of evolution, we start with the unicellular biflagellated Chlamydomonas. Species in this genus have isogamous gametes, which is a simpler form of sexual reproduction that involves the fusion of gametes that are similar in size and shape. Then we observe Gonium, made up of small colonies of between 4 to 16 biflagellated cells arranged in a flat plate arrangement with no differentiation. Sexual reproduction in Gonium is also isogamous. Next in the line of evolution, Eudarina species make up larger spherical colonies with between 16 to 64 biflagellated cells. Within these colonies, individual cells can beat their flagella together, allowing the colony to move as a whole. Additionally, Eudarina species have further evolved from the ancestral isogamous mating system to an anisogamous one that includes gametes with differentiated shape and size. In this case, there is a typically larger egg cell and a smaller sperm cell. Finally, we have the Volvox genus that we have reviewed in this video, which is the most complex organism in this line of evolution. Volvox makes up a floating multicellular spherical colony with between 600 to 50,000 biflagellated cells. These cells show an increasing degree of complexity, with cellular differentiation and specializations into germline and somatic cells. In addition, sexual reproduction in Volvox has evolved to have oogamous reproduction, in which the larger female egg cell is non-motile, whereas the sperm cell is smaller and motile.